Ever felt there's too many things to choose between? Or that your choice doesn't matter? Well, today we're talking about meaningful choices.
Hi, I'm Jon. Welcome to this channel where we are serious about play and games. And in this series we will be looking into game design knowledge. Many of these examples will be about board games. But the knowledge is usable no matter what kind of games you're doing. If it's board games, computer games, LARPs, role-playing games or something else.
In most definitions of games, one important thing is that the player makes choices. Well, this is not always the case, and it's not obvious in all games, especially not in games of skills such as sports. It is quite visible in board games. The choice can be many things, such as what piece to move and where to move it in a game of chess, or which card to attack with, and thereby what mana to deplete in a game of Magic the Gathering. But it could also be such a thing as what to look behind next in a game of hide and seek. Another part of many game definitions is the voluntary attempt to overcome something that's hard to do. A meaningful choice is not just a choice, it's a choice connected to a dilemma. And the meaningfulness stems from the choice being a hard one to make. This can be the result of many things, but often include probability, partially hidden information, as well as many choices affecting each other and thereby clouding the final outcome. As an example, if we draw two cards from a deck of cards and your job is to find the higher one, this is quite easy to do if both cards are revealed to you, making the choice a trivial one. On the other hand, if both cards are hidden, the choice is completely blind, and it doesn't really matter which one you choose. But if one card is hidden and one is visible, now you need to start thinking which one has the greater chance of being higher. This could be further informed if you know which previous cards has already been removed from the deck. And maybe some cards have special abilities for you in the future parts of the games, thereby meaning you might want to choose the visible safe card, even if the chance is the other one is lower. Some design solutions to make players feel the choices is meaningful is to make sure that the player wants to do more than is allowed by the rules, so that they have to choose between several good options. Or the other way around, that they have to choose between a few not good options, thereby every time having to choose in what way they make the game worse for themselves. One way of doing this in board games is to have a limited set of moves they are able to make. In a real-time computer game, this may instead be done through time limitations. And finally, be wary about giving the player too many options. Partly because too many options are hard to game test. And if you don't test all options, there might be a combination that is better than everything else, and thereby removing the choice altogether, as one choice is always better. But also because too many options during the gameplay can lead to analysis paralysis, meaning that it takes too much time to analyze the move, and this can make the game go very slow and thereby feel boring, especially for players who don't analyze that much.
So that's it for now. I hope this gave you some new knowledge and some new thoughts and ideas of what you could do. If you like this, you can check out more of the series over here, or you can check another random video over here. And do feel free to subscribe if you really like it. With that, go create, and I see you around.